I guess this is the easiest question in the Leetcode. List kids with the greatest number of candies. So basically, you can read the question. Someone give you candies, and you just add extra candies into this. And if the added extra candies larger than the maximum, suppose 5, then you return true. So it is larger, greater, or equal. So this is true, but false because 1 plus 3 is 4, and 4 is less than 5. So this is false, and this is true. Okay, so you want to find out basically the number just the result just to add the extra candies in the candies, and then you check whether this is larger than original list maximum. So just for I in candies, then we just use I plus the extra candies. And if this is larger than the original maximum in the candies, then we return true. Else we return false. So just simple one line one line. And simple one line, then we can get the answer. Okay. I will see you guys in next videos.